See that smile every morning. See why you fell in love. See another birthday. See a new perspective. See new horizons. Seesaw. Seaside. See the sunrise. See another year. See yourself struggling to see clearly. See your vision blur without your glasses or contacts. See a full spectrum of personalised vision correction. See our modern clinics. See the same consultant throughout your entire procedure. See our state-of-the-art technology that's supported by our own eye sciences research department. See one of our highly trained specialist surgeons. See our 5-star Trustpilot and Doctify scores. See over 1 million eyes successfully treated. See without your glasses, see without your contacts, and see your life change. Call 0800 066 2020 or visit optegra.com to book a free consultation and see for yourself.